to my channel. Today's episode, you can join me for a walk in nature. Just like to recharge, refresh, take a break, connect with nature, and have some good time. So let's go. I really love this place. So as you can see, Lebanon mountains, they rise quietly, wrapped in green, pines, olive trees, and open valleys. It just reminds me how much peace still lives here. It's where Lebanon reveals its softer side. It's simply timeless, alive, grounded. So yeah, I enjoy walking through Lebanon's mountains, surrounded by this endless greenery and fresh air. A moment to slow down and just be away from all the responsibilities in life for a bit, taking a short break. Open skies, see the background, trees, tall trees, from forested slopes to quiet valleys. These are Sushi and Rusty, exploring the place, enjoying the walk with us. This one is Sushi.
Sushi. Sushi. Sushi. Here.
And this one is Rusty. Hello, Rusty. Aren't they just so cute?
Sushi. Come, Sushi. Come, Sushi. These are the kind of flowers like you can actually eat. Like they're citrusy, sour.
There's actually a house here. Imagine living in a cottage in nature. You wake up to silence, birds, trees, instead of urgency. And yet, nothing is missing. There's electricity, Wi-Fi, warm food, and connection. So you're not escaping life, you're living it without the noise though. I totally love this, to live somewhere similar. And here you can see there's like a railroad. I would really wanna just set a tent here and just stay here for days. Thank you. This path runs between pine trees, bringing shade, a sense of calm. Like you can smell the sand filling the air. I like the smell of nature, of grass, of soil. It's just like give you so much calm and peace. So the way I see it, Lebanon's nature is full of contrast and color. The green mountains, dense pine trees, dense pine forests, rocky paths, wide valleys. This is here you can see the sea. This is like Beirut there. And yeah, the air changes as you move through it.
One thing I don't like, I must say though, is I heard gunshots, rifle shots. I don't understand people who shoot birds, who hunt birds. Like I don't understand this kind of like, I don't know, what is it, food, hobby? What is the kinds of birds you see are just like small tiny birds. So like you literally have to shoot like a lot to eat to feel full. Like I mean, is it like a need? Birds are super cute. They're super adorable. Their chirping is beautiful. They're beautiful. Why do you need to shoot them? Like this shit, I don't understand it. I don't understand this stuff. I don't understand it. Like it upsets me. Like I'm here having this calm walk, and you hear these rifles. It's just, and you know what it's all about, like shooting birds. And I really hate it. Like I wish there's anything I can do to stop these people, but I don't think there is. I mean, have you seen birds? They're super cute. They're adorable, and I think what we should be doing instead is just feeding them, taking care of them.